Hi friends and welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in today's video I did a tutorial using the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. I'm so in love with this palette and I'm so in love with how this look turned out. I did a tutorial on the eye look, so if you would like to see how to recreate this, then keep on watching. So I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer just on my eyelid, and then I'm using a MAC 252 brush to just blend it in to my eyelid. So I'm first of all taking the shade Glucose, which is the white shade, and I'm just putting that all over the lid to kind of set the concealer in place. Going to be taking the shade Tongue Pop, which is this peachy orange transition shade, and I'm just going to start blending that through my crease. And then next I'm taking the shade Fresh Meat, which is looks very purple in the pan, but it's actually quite pinky when you actually swatch it and put it on your eye. So going in with a MAC 242 and a little bit more of that concealer. So I'm just going to place it kind of on the centre of my lid, dragging it inwards a little bit. So now using a small fluffy brush, I'm going to start building up some depth into the outer V of my eye. I'm using the shades Extraction and Coma. I'm taking the shade Root Canal and I'm just going to start blending this on my lower lash line. The Makeup Revolution Golden Lights highlighter in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Okay, so now that we have the eyeshadow done, I'm going to apply some lashes. So first of all, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are from eBay. I always use lashes from eBay. I'm going to actually leave a link in the description, so if you want to get these then you can. These are like $2.99. They're so cheap, but they're so good and they last for like 10 wears, maybe even more. What I'm actually going to do is add a little bit of eyeliner just into the inner corner, just to connect it to my actual inner corner so there's not like a little gap. And then just to finish off the look, I am using the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Christmas Cookie, which is literally like my favourite shade ever. It is such a nice nude. Done. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you like the look. I am going to try and film more tutorials because I feel like I'm getting a little bit better at them, but I'm not sure. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day with whatever you are doing, and I will hopefully see you next time.